How to download TokenPocket application on your smartphone. Hey everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you are on the lookout for an easy way to download and start using TokenPocket on your phone, then you are in the right place. First of all, launch open your Google Play Store or your App Store, depending upon your operating system. Now, go to the search bar at the bottom and type in TokenPocket and search. From the search results, look for the TokenPocket Crypto and Bitcoin application from TP Global Limited. Once you do that, click on the Get or the cloud icon to start downloading the app. On your Android, you need to tap on Install. Now wait for the application to download and install on your device. Make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. TokenPocket is a popular multi-chain cryptocurrency wallet that lets you safely store, send, receive, and manage your digital assets all in one place. It supports multiple blockchains like Ethereum, BNB Chain, Tron, and more, making it a flexible choice for both beginners and experienced users. Once the application is installed, tap on the Open button to launch open TokenPocket on your Android or iOS device. Now go ahead and import your existing wallet or create a new one and get started with TokenPocket. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.